Welcome to this presentation on life processes in living organisms Part 2. In this module, we will explore the fascinating world of reproduction, covering asexual and sexual methods, modern reproductive technologies, reproductive health, and the effects of population explosion. Reproduction is a life process that ensures the continuity of a species. While not necessary for an individual's survival, it plays a crucial role in species evolution. Reproduction happens through two main types, asexual and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction in unicellular organisms like amoeba and paramecium occurs through binary fission. Under unfavorable conditions, organisms like amoeba perform multiple fission, producing several offspring enclosed within a cyst. In yeast, a unicellular fungus, reproduction happens by budding. In multicellular organisms like Spirogyra and Cycon, reproduction occurs through fragmentation, where each broken part develops into a new organism. Planaria shows full regeneration, forming two new organisms from one. Hydra reproduces by budding. Plants like potato and bryophyllum use vegetative propagation, and fungi like mucor reproduce via spore formation. Sexual reproduction involves two gametes, male and female. In plants, the flower is the reproductive unit. It consists of four whorls, calyx, corolla, androecium, and gynoecium. Flowers may be bisexual or unisexual. Male gametes form in anthers, while ovules in the ovary produce the female gamete. Pollination leads to double fertilization, forming both the zygote and endosperm. The ovary becomes the fruit, and the ovule becomes the seed. Human reproductive systems are specific due to sex chromosomes, XY in males, XX in females. The male reproductive system includes testes, ducts, glands, and the penis. Sperm production begins at puberty and continues throughout life. Seminal vesicles, the prostate gland, and Cowper's glands add fluids to form semen. The female reproductive system includes ovaries, fallopian tubes, uterus, and vagina. One oocyte is released per month. From puberty to menopause, about 400 oocytes are released in total. Fertilization usually occurs in the oviduct. The resulting zygote develops into an embryo, which implants in the uterus. The male determines the child's sex, based on whether an X or Y sperm fertilizes the ovum. The menstrual cycle lasts 28 to 30 days and involves four key hormones: FSH, estrogen, LH, and progesterone. If fertilization doesn't occur, menstruation happens. Maintaining hygiene during this time is crucial. Techniques like IVF help couples with fertility issues. Surrogacy is used when the woman can't carry a baby. Sperm banks provide medically screened semen for conception. Monozygotic twins come from one zygote and are genetically identical. Dizygotic twins come from two different zygotes and are genetically different. Delayed division can lead to conjoined twins. Reproductive health requires hygiene, awareness, and education. Population explosion leads to issues like unemployment and strain on resources. Family planning is essential. Awareness of STDs like syphilis and gonorrhea is also important. To conclude, reproduction ensures species continuity and introduces genetic diversity. Technologies like IVF help with infertility. Awareness about reproductive health and controlling population growth are essential for a balanced society.